Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is Mobile. I hope that you all are doing good and enjoying your good health. If you're not, then may God bless you with good health. So in today's video, what we are going to do is that we are going to fix Find My not working in your iPhone. So here I'm just going to unlock my iPhone, and before that, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I'm just unlocking my iPhone. After that, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your cell phone is connected with the Wi-Fi or any cellular data. After that, what you have to do is you have to go into settings. Here we are in settings, and after going into settings, there is privacy option in your settings, so privacy and security. So you have to go into that, and after that there is option of location services also. So basically you have to go into location services option, and then you have to make sure that this location service option is on in your iPhone. So if it is on, then well and good. If it is not, then you have to just turn it on. And if your Find My iPhone is not working, so you have to just turn it off for one and then just turn it on. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to check that there will be Find My option, like Find My app option. So there's the option of Find My. So here we will go into this, and here you have to make sure that permission is on while using the app, or ask next time or when I share. So it should not be on never. So we will just check this, and then we will go back. Then guys, what you have to do is you have to, if your Find My is still not working, so next solution is that you have to go into settings again, and then after going into settings you have to go into general this time. So we are going into general, and in general there is option of date and time. So you have to make sure that your date and time is on spot, like there's no mistake in that. And you can just turn on set automatically option. You have to just turn it off for once and then turn it on back. So still, if your iPhone Find My is not working, so what you have to do is you have to go into settings, and then you can go into general. Then you have to scroll down, and then here's the option of shutdown. So you can just slide to power off, and then you can just power on your iPhone, and this will also work for you. If still your Find My is not working, so what you have to do is you have to scroll down in these settings, then in general, then here's the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So you have to go there, and there's option of reset. So you can reset network settings also, and if still it is not working for you, so you can reset all settings. So you have to just simply do this, and then after that your Find My will work. So you have to just enable notifications, allow, you have to just allow everything. Okay, so after that your Find My will work. If you're not doing this, so maybe there can be any hardware issue, not software. So still, if your Find My is not working, so I'll just recommend you to go to any authorized dealer that is nearest to you, and just check your phone there. So I hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you follow these steps, then your problem will be resolved. If it is not, then you can just contact the Apple store also, or maybe you can just go to the any authorized dealer also that is nearest for you. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and do subscribe to my channel. Just help me in growing. Thank you so much for watching.